At the end of this lesson, you will preview on adding the logic from splash page to login page, then add the logic for login process by authenticate at the back end.
So now I already have 3 pages. Then I want to create the logic, the splash. Go to login, and login will authenticate at the back end, and it go to the menu. So to do that, just choose the splash, and I'm using the Visual Logic. So this one is similar as portfolio app. So here just use the set timeout, and I use the go to page. So I put as set timeout, yes. Set timeout 2 seconds, and go to page. I choose login. Once I save, we need to set the default page. Go to the global attributes, and you set the splash as your default page. Preview. I can see the page about 3 seconds, and it go to the menu. Now I want to make the login based on the backend data. Once it's success, it go to the menu page. So to do that, I just use the function wizard. When it's clicked, the action is login. Okay, the connector that I want to use is Navision. The connector is already generated, yes. So this is the value that I have set. And the service, this is the web services available in the Navision. So the web service that I want to use is mobile user master. So you go next, and here the username and the password, and it will go to menu once it's success. Finish, save. So we try to log in. The username here is user, and the password, I put the wrong password. It will give the info message. Okay, and then if I put the right password, we can see the menu page.